Ebushama akwa ba found Ghana SMTVGH, message like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification and so on, so that anytime I post a video, bit area will sound like heavy. Ebushama early part of last year, and men kind nipa kwa make a statement no bad. Obi make a statement say, anka eka onu kwa. And what say papa a branch a friend of Malick Basentale no. Empene so J kind of say a my appointment bia from J Mahama, His Excellency John Mani Mahama. And now ni view very simple. And he said Malick has been able to build a certain image among not only NDC youth also, but some youth, some conservative youth say, oh yeah, a leader to watch out for. Right? And ti ufa bebia na nkrofo praise Malick Basentale say, oh yeah dear, and all those things. Na nkrofo di nechipa ne following, even on social media, was very great. And ti nipa oka say, eyo no na oye Malick Basentale anka onji appointment no. Oka say, now no, by virtue of entering into public office, the actual essence was going to be tested. How many people he will be able to provide jobs for? How many people he will be able to help? What policy will he be able to implement? All that scrutiny was going to come on him, Malick. Now, the way Oye Young, no, if he's not able to manage those expectations well, ebe trankete, ebe kunik political career. Now, look, that person, I say, because 18 months in power, uko waye she inko swo waye under Malick Basentale. Nothing. Under MPP, we were hearing youth in a community police, youth we health workers, assistants, and all various things. I cost wonder why Mekaikra said they went to train over 18,000 or so plus people in carpentry and all the other things. Why very active. And why active view? Nothing is going on. Now Malick nkokana TLC. The youth of this country, they have enjoyed under Omu Abayin John Dramani Abayin way that all the things that they promise, Omu Youth Manifesto, they have delivered. Malick Basentale. Malick, mo deliver then. A common Eddie youth to the extent say ghetto boys, Rasta men say adia ye NDC Omu support biom. Untiana. Now 133 24-hour economy and now youth didn't come one. But I even thought says how 133 24-hour economy a youth nintin na mu pese mu famba. Yes sir. And how come say 24-hour economy mu nya start yembo? And I will say you have delivered the things in your youth manifesto. Women's Bank and youth need be omunye man. And you have not built even one of the women's bank yet. And you are saying you have delivered what? You have not delivered anything, Malick. When we go into your manifesto, all the things are Mukasamba my Ghana youth nothing no. And the ice cream no much muchichana. Where are the ice cream you promise? Mukasa and the samusi youth for no muko into farming. Na skabe bama farmers no scan here. So what is Malick saying? Stop taking us for a ride, Malick. Damn it. Sorry for my choice of word. Na mumu be there. Your career is ending with John Mahama's administration.
I warned Ghanaians about President John Dramani Mahama. I told you he will be a failure, and I'm glad he didn't disappoint me. He has failed woefully. Mahama, the value is always the same. There is no bump in the country, and Iran is about 9,000 kilometers from Ghana. So why will Iran war trigger food security issues, job losses, and high fuel prices in Ghana? World Bank, IMF, and IEA, please, we hear you people, but nothing has happened in Ghana because Abba Papa Abba. NDC, you haven't seen anything yet. It's so pathetic when you hear NDC talking about moral right. They have no shame at all. Okay. Ono ade abreye enono. We enso say befi ewo bantama. Also, the NDC has a fine opportunity by prosecuting its members who were fingered in the AXA deal. While Ghanaians were experiencing doom, so NDC appointees were milking the country. I think Honorable Dr. Kwabena Donko should be released of his post if we were serious about fighting corruption. Okay. No, and so I don't know. Masawood Kumasi Bantama SC in the run up to the 2024 election, we warned Ghanaians about the second coming of JDM, but they didn't listen. The good people of Ghana have already regretted voting for this visionless and incompetent NDC government. Ghanaians will surely show them the exit come 2028. Hashtag Baumia 2028. Okay, here I say we and so say DJ Paidemo Kumasi Swami or say NDC government should focus on developing the country and stop arresting innocent Ghanaians. Ghanaians didn't vote for the NDC party to be political police. Okay, and also dear and I'm Kinde from if you just say or say I totally support and agree with Kwesi Mensah on decentralizing okay, most of the government institutions across the country. This is the main reason why Accra is overcrowded and causing enough flooding. Ministries like Food and Agriculture, local government, and chieftaincy and other agencies. With this, even the other regions will also be improved. Okay, something now can run. Yeah.
Commission.
Aye.
Chieftaincy.
Also, no Kwabaka.
Also, a baby, a National House of Chiefs, Asiano. National House of Chiefs, Kumasi. And our Chieftaincy Ministry is in crime. Oh.
Anyway, now on also Edia or the Abreye and so no. And anopay the also the abreye no afe ma yemfa we entoso dan koma hafo Kenya C number 2 Jericho. The NDC party led by President Mahama is dangerous than COVID-19. Only the MPP government thinks about Ghanaians. Fellow Ghanaians, let's vote massively for Dr. Baumia and MPP parliamentary candidates and move Ghana forward. Okay. And also dear no Capito Gosu Menshia say it is still possible for Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and the MPP come to an aid because JDM and the NSE has failed. NDC, okay, have failed and disappointed Ghanaians. Okay. Right. I think your message is well articulated. From Lawrence Wacheke Buchewa Senu Asorin Kwantaobe Unity Oil Filling Station. No, and also say I find it extremely strange for the former power minister, Mr. Kwabena Donko, to deny taking any bribe from the former Goldman Sachs officials, Asante Bekum. When a U.S. court of competent jurisdiction has convicted the latter of giving bribes in excess of $1 million to Ghanaian government officials to secure a power plant deal in 2015. What boggles my mind is who was the power minister in 2015. When the said bribe took place, we plead with the government not to rest on this matter and rather see to its logical finality. He said an appropriate sanctions given to whoever was involved. Okay, I think I side with you. Yes.
Oh, Master, you people are wasting your time.
NC.
$200 million. Kwabena. $200 million. Calling out that untia one city cry. Ya fale nole prosecco asasa mno ye twaso cry sagle medan en kamurem en kahosa on fa ne honi $1 million. Na nya Ghana sika o.
Abrofu ne sika. Abrofu nura.
What you get here won. Say na da for par kwa madongo. O ka se me na address press o ka tane. Ne lawyer no.
Aso no no.
O paso chese masa mo asempa bi ho a mo go ka na $1 million. Di ye cry.
And I was just asking, Kwesi, say,
TV
minimum. I was just asking, say, Enra, cases here and this by on betray so na di say 8 years.
Yeah, ebi mo yeah.
8 years.
Ebi mo che. Because I told you mo ba ban ma no mo share. No, I took that things that damn be share in 2020 or so.
To me can say the longest is 8 years.
What 8 years?
8 years.
You know all the 8 years of Akufo-Addo. They were pursuing some of these cases.
Number no betray.
How much training name?
We such friends and good man such case you know. Edison sana we ni eba bonting ya ne ya convicted aye Urabeko no.
Me say 2024 kra na yen agman
no. Omo wie hon sam kra.
Yes, ya ban no kra nya hon tie na say Akufo-Addo was around sana.
But you see, yes. I just want to make a point.
Yes, please.
So no longer the time framer assembly bedino. If it is criminal, it is criminal.
One impro. What is it?
A criminal. A criminal. Ti enkase ye di 8 years di en se den hu wenti ye twaso.
There be.
No.
Oh, na ko pon boss say wo hokra za na wiase kra ye nyina be kan.
Over 6,000 years. Yes.
Oh no. Me who does that? One why you nene say do ye nye. If I did this for you say do ye ne de. Enya kra minim de okay say mra na yi ne kasa no. Okay I told the president today I didn't have to tell the president I am the attorney general. The president has reposed the powers in me. So he want to tell the Ghanaians that he did that unilaterally.
Yeah.
On the same side me. Now kasa sikano the share Dr. Pandit, governor too. The share Ato Forcing finance minister too. The share Colonizada too. The share Dr. Kwabnado for any sangro for Okabuma. Kwabna said the Amontia Kwajibis. Welcome. Edo Abonja Bija Bonte, Eco Penco for Franco Chirum. Now Caso Mano, the Amamza Monte Campa.
And I dear Bakusa Bessimin, so say, Dr. Dominic Akuritinga Ayeni.
Abo Bemedi.
Oba Bemono. The way of fast was a criminal case bar. Oba Bontin Ben Nariti, a check on the fast one.
Put the Panasinium.
Yes. We men Hunesa.
Almost a boa. You was for the boa.
Anyway,
Mamma Wingo. Like Quachi metafista Australia. And the Australian government they releases our story no on Sky in Australia. Come in that. Sorry, I say. Cocaine as one way by airport to mobile by cargo plane by. And your reverend team for you. And no sorry, and come so about them. And this food dinner temple face.
Sorry,
Mr. And Clienti. Look, sir, Toriata di send US for the publisher Yajina to my a castle. You were 70s na TV na I didn't know mema. And Kayini Bejana Hakache Stone and Uguswa or the Uforata Bande.
It's almost trying to ask you. The OSPC and Manakwang had the prosecutorial authority until 27th of this month. Yes, I say.
Very well.
Yes.
That is what we have been waiting.
Yes.
It's I said the weekend. I didn't be ball kind of for that asinium last year. And who shares your court. But it's a Quenya sentence.
Come here.
Are they? Then who may be bisa.
We have issues to Pachum. I said the air canon and some of one might be home come all right. Now you have caught the bon cratten when Ajwa way. Because you know your band. Over. Okay, you. Yabesha said the bon cratten emun sambe bro. Daily Graphic or her Ghanaian Times or her Daily Guide or her Chronicle or her the Daily Satellite or her the National Enquirer and I feel the Hawk. And then the Business Analyst. These are the newspapers we have here this morning. I'm in for Daily Graphic and for Enshase and Mamo. Now, Daily Graphic and him a home and the Lands Minister at the Honorable Emmanuel Ama Kofi Boa. Wapijan and Sano said the Mekayano. Okoko PM ewo Adamus Resources. And I say Adamus omo a mining concession and I saw mining way no so no PM no say. Some mining list na dem Adamus no ya revoke. It is revoked. Yaje edi from so ninyi na say so ma breachy some mining rules and laws be enti yaje edi free wo musem ba da chi bi atwam na no ho bi atwam eno me so nhwem so still Adamus edi form enti say ni license no omaje edi free nsem say Ghana for na ena ehwe so ti eno ho ensem ewa ha Santene commends GRA for improved revenue generation say omo ba besra ohene na omba no so mo ya de mabom homodem pa yemonsem nemom wom a mo ye adwuma a mo ntua e ye frɛ ne sen taxes no say one fan say omo eye omo sisi dan omo ye sane ma no mo mpe kwa bi nza mo ntwo mo wurum no so boa be boa bi ye
chemo de ba omi aba man mu
ayo
kakra mo fi kura ba omi aba ye na ba ma GRE na GRE what ha GRE what is a GRE for publishing profit rather see a meet target o me de bi about it in 70s ba me ade ba omi aba kan ban ho na GRE ona o mekan on can say
or digitalizing
to the point say I feel you don't really have to chase somebody to go and or digitize a port for piece na there hina what about me TV I'm a tango computer TV so can do paper about me tango computer
anyway the eno ewa ha na court orders okay yenye no ento ho na yentoa so ha Jonah Capital evokes Paris ICC over River Park Estate dispute.
Mameka Adamus de bi ye can news okay we news Adamus de na no police minister to us no also minister acts on review committee's report the company owes $2.56 million mineral rights fees and then 377 million Ghana cedis royalties and taxes. Adamus will have to fight back because we the many government they are doing.
I say no crepa say
no cre.
But I also entreat the government.
Yes.
Say omunhwe other companies.
Yes. Sure.
Maybe they are doing it.
Oh, of course, they are doing it. Yeah. So, renew 6 recently, and we don't marry Boku. Now, go fees are on your bonibia because they be seen the government to finger the entire go fees takwa in free takwa. Apart from say he and PO interest. BBN, what you say? Oh, go fees is doing his work very, very carefully. What's it? Was it? Minyama ka was madam hoso yes
minyawa me how
was madam hoso madam hoso go face very much aware madam hoso honestly speaking apart from more output the me no na me busa about foreign banks e wo mamu aí and dey kwamna ye ka se ye komu so foreign money interest e wo mamu a omo corporate social responsibility there say o de toto oso no ho a asa o de anansi ekototo oso no ho me na me hu
ketekete
me makna boasia wo so atna boasia se wo ade pedi a wo hu na me hu ya ka che me ko boasia nkohwe so ade ase me ntiase
de dia ka che boasia asem no me ko du boasia first anadwo am ko du sonka ne ye people so
for shop for baby ah kan
yes serious kurebe ye fair ade che no tu basis come say for 70 crew na me hu no
but is it Western what is it Adamus there until they come put some spirited fight against this we will side of government now but government say we
I haven't heard them
my back and forth but ba we heard them who defense and for whatever reason I don't know say mining companies say we heard there kwaku be kwase metu no ideally Ghana there's any businesses what the contract
you have to oil the people's arms
now but the contract if you bakwa babna we nyam guase asem e fact ahimfie kran kwa no kwa no ahimfie kran kwa no kwa wo de asem na ekoto na nanim ezo so de bibiba eti no
ne kura
thank you ano eye suman eti na kwaku hu ze de no me kwase me de
bi anka watne ye se de onim so mo mra no
I know it's not the fair chiri se be anko bi e
de o mahu
e no mahu no ya ha anka ye hu kura anka enka hwe
ba ko bi on ka so den holy rain
sanity e we hanti no sometimes no aya o ka na ne kana akoye bibi e ho kakra fine e na me anka sika aban se odi e kire sika ya aban dia sa sika ya kikai asa butri ka sika yi babra nya aban sika boy sika omudi ni nkran enya ban Ghana ban sika na boy sika
egu Ghana ho fi
kwa be so
aso Ghana ni
e den se egu Ghana ho fi
Ghana mu
no egu Ghana ho fi ge sem na speaker babenji hine mu no onu go fodi edi atem abruchi o see we are backward people we think backwards because of our speaker because of Sam George and all those elements who are so-called proponents of the bill.
That doesn't make them think upright and
we'll see for back 3 years or for media. I mean, my example
for this 3 years.
And they say, "Yeah, Papa,
you are giving an example."
Because I'm a backward and they may never offer a drink. Well, one of my make up.
Young Ghanaian Times.
Ghanaian Times for the most authoritative newspaper. Ghana's tourism revenue hits 4.34 billion. Arrivals top 1.3 million. Minister Abna Jefa Gomashi.
No, I saw your accountability
offering Inaba, Canada, even common games.
Oh, sorry, Omaba. Yeah.
Or command to stand below, or the Weasel, and Obake.
And a coy.
No, no, that's Anthony. See, we see for answer.
Aqua Bezuko baby.
Or Mujana got the rebound, the Aquaban and the chair. Weasel, the South Ghana's tourism revenue are hitting 4.3 billion, 3-4 billion Ghana cedis. Ekufado. Ekufado and also bury tourist centers or my moya. But I'm not if I share apart from Kinte to Kuna or change like Kinte from Ramem. Almost all the baby was I order. And then my revenue course road. Now send call for bad now, including Kwame Nkrumah when people from Pendiantia Crass centers and then quite Kwaku Nanakufado Kufiana. Kwaku Kufado and the Kusisi or fire. He said I was today 1.3 million arrivals for from memo baha about Behemqua 1.3. One more jump fan or the onka send input power a womb revenue any arrivals no onka input back and go food and what ya go be a grandma.
I see.
And to government tightening sanitation accountability for MMDCE Vice President.
One of the key friends saying MMDCs no.
Why the MMDC himself?
DC so your friends saying
MMDC. Why them? Why
some
them?
leaders?
Oh, bro.
Those are the leaders.
Bro, you're environmental officer in every.
Yes. Or judge you by your cleanliness. That's what the president said. You are the leader.
I get it.
You give the direction. You give the directives and what have you. Say anything bad, the honors lies with you on you.
No, we are creating room for people to be redundant.
Of course. For who also chairman Juma.
Banka president and now vice nanutum. Say environmental officer or said district and our municipal and our metro. The biano if he who's a free way even prepare so will be coffee. And now we call transport transfer. Can also
what will be the essence of the MMDC?
Of course, the MMCD can still remain.
Yes.
Oh no.
No, what will be there because only responsibility is to see that those people work.
I get that.
Yes,
I get that. Well, I am not against what the vice president is saying. I'm only saying I say
direct.
Thank you.
I say direct.
Parents say now 15-year-old or 12 or 11 and find instructions don't go ama 15-year-old
so na 11
and I see
the banner be aton kwada ya
there be craft chat 11 and 12
on the hard way
obeti makapa no say dey chef preach
pan no kampu otum tuase
one over but what is it to a craft no not to one so for but I agree with government this for na say don't they are so comfortably lazy because maybe anyhow what one waji party for aja and then come if room ko here we come this kwa no be ka consulting room amanie te se go ana
bia de ne ha
ne ba ko wi koko ha bag am na kotum mo yinti no wo ba be this year man amanie o mo hunu wa kura so e na mo do na ma kwa traffic ko no
anyway
it's a plan for as I say expanding drone services no so the be ya sabi about time mo ko awo so na mo ko free mu no so ebeti expand drone services to cut maternal deaths
huru uzumeni so
the plan some just will be gunu kra
na de mo akasen se na
akaba ko
ase tu
yo reset na kanu renew gold fields lease in national interest Huni Valley, Huniso stakeholders, and Ekasa. After they go first for when you come for, or Mutemo, when you're more tapa for Nama here, a pamu more. I had an good in Sapem, and I'm the Ukrainian says I bet Pam Pass Ajama, I can say EMPD. Now then, this one almost a good country book, Beja Padias or more before mine in the Menina. I'm a motion for Baku crazy. Ekufo better buying so 8 years. Minim Ghana Japadi of Quachim. So I did black voter. I did go fields that my mind. I rule remove beji go fields takwa mines as I'm on new bed. I don't know what I got any. Onukwan any. Onukwan or money interest. Won't me now why I had won't me to my president. Our promise say small scale miners or one could be about mom amnesty as I'm poor mom code. And I quite sure which have I didn't coach him 20 years. Say we do a nick grant you national 20 years. Unyamitis row here now. Bakubisu ha
food vendor Gilda and I know
food vendor be otonduane ya jailing no wrongfully afi ne yi no abusafo odinfie nan say oba na aduane say do see no nyina no recipe nyina no
4 years
afi wadam 4 years
4 years and that's make can story be say a teacher ni bi omje 10 years
Ghana
10 years yes okodem 10 years so akonye makola
me wan so
10 years time no mo senye no
kre o was meeting wa so was meeting wa
ya rehosem
so was meeting wa
ya rehosem
na keke di nyedi suban na nya enka ban be ka so repu no mimi ka nyini o
za
mama but technicality opa yempe definition for rape and nke ye nyina ebedi for go Ghana ni abaya wa boss na kotokosua sata no kaza chibom ade amana na national moto ma ko wiki pinase abewura wo fie how anadwo 11 wo so no munafe no oba be say debi
eso so no mukura no kaza debi ade no kura ye no kaza yi kura yo wanya ya yo
eno nyina ya ye wa no wa ma obi akodem 10 years